Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you another 5 different running stitch types which can use as decorative stitches. Checkerboard running This refers to running stitches made in rows of 3 or more in a pattern. Steep threaded running stitch. This is done by making 2 rows of stepped running stitches and looping another thread to the running stitches as on the video. Looped running stitch. To work this stitch, make 2 parallel rows of aligned running stitches. Start the needle from the first row of stitches. Pass the needle from the first stitch. Pass the thread down the first stitch in second row. Now bring back the needle under the first top stitch again to complete loop running stitch. Pattern darning. Basic running stitches are used in long and short versions in a consistent manner to make beautiful patterns. Subscribe and join with my YouTube channel to get more information about embroidery. Thank you for watching my video.